Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss that's essential for all bloggers and content creators out there: search engine optimization, or SEO. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of optimizing your blog posts to ensure they rank high on Google. So, let's dive right in. Understanding SEO and its importance. Before we jump into the technical details, let's start with the basics. SEO is the practice of optimizing your website or blog to rank higher on search engine result pages, primarily focusing on Google. Why is it important? Well, higher rankings mean increased visibility, organic traffic, and ultimately, more readers or customers. Keyword research. The first step in optimizing your blog post is conducting thorough keyword research. It involves identifying the terms and phrases people use when searching for information related to your topic. Tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ahrefs, or SEMrush can assist you in finding relevant keywords with high search volumes and low competition. On-page optimization. Now that you have your keywords, it's time to optimize your blog post. On-page optimization refers to various factors you can control directly on your page to improve its visibility to search engines. Here are a few key elements to focus on. Title tag and meta description. Craft a compelling title tag and meta description that incorporate your primary keyword and entice users to click on your link. URL structure. Keep your URLs concise, descriptive, and keyword-rich. Avoid using numbers or unnecessary characters. Heading tags. Organize your content using heading tags, H1, H2, H3, etc., to give structure and hierarchy to your article. Include relevant keywords where appropriate. Keyword placement. Sprinkle your primary and secondary keywords naturally throughout the content, including in the first paragraph, subheadings, and conclusion. Content quality and relevance. Host. Besides keyword optimization, it's crucial to provide high-quality, valuable content. Google's algorithms prioritize content that answers users' queries effectively. Here's what you should consider. Length and readability. Write in-depth, well-researched articles that thoroughly cover the topic. Aim for a minimum of 1,500 words, but don't compromise on readability. Use short paragraphs, bullet points, and subheadings to break up the text. Engaging media. Incorporate relevant images, videos, or infographics to enhance user engagement. Optimize media files by compressing them without sacrificing quality to improve page loading speed. Internal and external links. Include internal links to other relevant posts on your blog to improve navigation and encourage readers to explore more of your content. Additionally, incorporate authoritative external links to reputable sources to support your claims. Technical SEO considerations. While creating great content is vital, technical SEO plays a crucial role too. Here are a few technical aspects to focus on. Mobile responsiveness. Ensure your website is mobile-friendly, as Google heavily prioritizes mobile usability. Page loading speed. Optimize your site's speed by minimizing code, compressing images, and leveraging caching techniques. XML sitemap and robots.txt. Create an XML sitemap to help search engines understand your site structure. Additionally, use a robots.txt file to guide search engine crawlers.